inspired to DIY. In today's video, I share an easy and inexpensive way to build a light box for product photography. Let's get into it. To get started, we will need 4 8x10 frames from Dollar Tree and a white poster board. So first, I'll be taking off everything from the frames and I'll cut into size the poster board to fit in each of the frames. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe for more DIY projects. There is 2 other options for this part. You can either use contact paper or gift wrap paper, and both will turn out so nice as well. So let's go ahead and glue all the 4 frames together. To do so, I'm using Gorilla Stick glue. Feel free to use any strong adhesive to make sure that everything stays together. I will be putting some craft stick where each of the frame meets. I'll be using diamond wrap to cover the inner corners. I'll be cutting into size a piece of poster board for the inner layout, and later on I will also show you other options. cut it into a piece of poster board and cover it with glitter contact paper that can also be used as a layout for the inner box. Next, we have this marble top liner that fits perfectly into the box, and Dollar Tree usually carries a wide variety of top liners that you can choose from. Another option can be pillowcases, and I actually got this one from Dollar Tree, and later on I will actually glue it onto the previous poster board just because it will sit a lot neater in there. Now into our lighting, I'll be using those push lights and foam board, and one good thing about those push lights, they are self-adhesive, and also I can actually untwist them to change my batteries later on. Of lighting, and each of them will actually take 3 push lights. You can leave the foam board as is, but I'll be using double-sided tape and gift wrap paper to cover mine. I'm using those mini blocks to make stoppers onto the foam board just because I want it to be a little thicker when I put it on top of the box. As you can see, I left the top part and the front part of my box open just because it makes it a lot easier to first put the light and also be able to take pictures of the items that will be inside the box. Another option of lighting can be a tabletop ring light. You just sit it on the table and just hover it over the box. This is the part where I actually used the previous poster board and cover it with the pillowcase using double-sided tape. I'll be securing the back with regular tape. product of a light box. It is really convenient to carry out, and you can also put it on any surface wherever you would like to place it to have your pictures taken for your products, for your jewelries, any small objects that you might have. Small objects fit in perfectly into the light box. If you're a small business owner, you're finding ideas of how to take pictures of your products, so here it is. This is a really easy and inexpensive way to showcase your products. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you got inspired to create a light box. If so, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And if you're new here, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my next project. Thank you. Bye.